things have been looking consistent. They've been looking good for XRP. We're doing the same thing we've been over the last several days, trying to break out of this big trend that we've been in. We're showing good support. We have a lot of fundamental things working in our direction. And the question is today or tomorrow the day that we make this break? Because there is actually something that's been dubbed critical for XRP taking place tomorrow that we're going to discuss in this video. I do also want to talk about a little bit of shake we might see in the market tomorrow as well. So if you guys are new or haven't already, show your support for the channel down below. Hit that subscribe button, that bell. It's free to do. It'll keep you updated anytime there's new content live here on the channel. So this is that formation that we've been playing into, and it's just remained perfect. We actually got a little bit of a breach of this to the upside yesterday. Came back down. We're printing a green candle day once again. And right now we are on the verge of potentially breaking out of this big broadening right angle descending wedge. And why this is such a big deal is, guys, the range on this tends to be basically from the bottom of this wick to the top of the trend to the upside. So we're talking about a potential $2.80 ADA, getting us the closest we've been to $3 since all the way back in March, which would be a very exciting sign. At the same time, we're also seeing XRP dominance do the same thing. We had an upside breach yesterday. Very, very exciting thing, trying to do the exact same thing as the price chart. And luckily, we're getting a lot of confidence and strength from BTC here. BTC remains broken out, sitting at about, 108.8 or so at the time of filming this video. Perfect retest there. So we're seeing a lot of things work in our favor across the crypto market. On a fundamental level for XRP, yesterday, we actually saw the largest exchange outflow day we have seen since all the way back in the basically middle of May. So a lot of confidence from XRP holders right now, verge of potentially another big week of withdrawals. Something I wanted to mention here as well is we have once again seen this long short ratio flip to the bullish side. It's not insanely bullish, right? We're at a 1.01, which is kind of an even point of stability. And we're waiting for probably tomorrow for a decision one way or the other. I will say, look at the long and short liquidations that took place. It's almost dead even down the middle. This looks like the case here. A little bit more longs wrecked on the 12-hour, a little bit more shorts wrecked on the 4-hour. So we're kind of just chopping right now. And that's fine, because again, tomorrow we have something taking place that everybody needs to be aware of. Now, what we're going to see is the U.S. Senate Banking, Housing, and Urban Affairs Committee will give the XRP Army its most closely watched stage since the lawsuit between Ripple and the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commissions. At 11 a.m. Eastern Time on Wednesday, the panel will convene in Dirksen 538 for a hearing titled From Wall Street to Web3, Building Tomorrow's Digital Asset Markets. Now, why this is such a big deal is Brad Garlinghouse, alongside Blockchain Association Chief Executive Summer Mersinger, are going to be, and others as well, are going to be sitting down in front of this committee, and they're going to be discussing digital commodities, actually trying to have us be considered something other than an unregistered security by the SEC. Now, we obviously know that that is not the case currently. XRP has been deemed not an unregistered security. This is a blanket thing that has basically been laid out across the industry. So I'm not sure excuse me, I'm not sure why they're trying to get us into another regulatory body when we're now seeing this embrace from the current iteration of the SEC. I would much rather have this, excuse me, I would much rather have us be considered digital property like they're doing overseas, but that's neither here nor there. I don't get to contribute to this, but they're going to be having this complex discussion, and potentially we could get some more clarity surrounding whether we fall under a commodity, right? Now, if you guys remember, we're still dealing with FIT 21 not passing yet. That would obviously bring more clarity to this industry. That is, again, where there would in fact be both joint SEC and CFTC oversight in terms of digital assets. But we're also waiting for now the Clarity Act of 2025, which is going to expressly define tokens that achieve functional decentralization as commodities, which, if you guys aren't aware, Crypto Week is taking place next week. That's when we have this Clarity Act actually going for voting. This is also when we're going to see, I think, what is it? The Genius Act is going to be going in front of, what is it? Gosh, the Genius Act is going to be going back to the House then as well. So there's a lot of things that are working in our favor, and right now could give us a little bit of win in our sales in the market that could make us see some more exciting times ahead. So that's just what you guys need to be aware of. I appreciate you as always. I hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know your thoughts below. Do you think this is something that could in fact cause this XRP breakout to begin? Don't forget too, potential banking license approval ahead. There's a lot of things that you can frankly get excited about XRP Ledger, and Ripple moving forward. So appreciate you guys. Have a great day. Show your love below. Catch you guys in the next one. Take care.